Good morning, children. And today I would like to tell you all that I started these online classes in April last year. After everything was shut down because of COVID, I couldn't take offline classes. And then this is the way that I started my online classes. I was myself apprehensive about it. But I made up my mind that I would not leave it as online classes or recorded classes. I would make it as live online class. Now, y'all tell me, what do you feel about these classes? Anybody can start. Vineet?
It's more effective, ma'am.
Sheikh. Yes.
It's more effective in our places. It's very helpful to in our places, ma'am. It's all my new experience in this type of video classes in our place. My friends or colleagues are try to read some books and read some newspapers to export ourselves, ma'am. But
exactly.
it's new to me, ma'am. Especially you give me some task and reporting something. It's all new to help for my career, ma'am. That's it, my point of view.
Okay, Vineet, what do you think?
Yes. If I have to talk about the online classes or the classes in person,
the class which I am taking.
Yeah. So in terms of the class which you are taking, the online classes is further helping us in a matter like if we want to start with our pace. Let's say if we have to say on the day one when you are physically present over there, you are even more conservative and thinking about what people are looking, and then you slightly hesitate. But if you are doing an online classes initially, because only your face and things are like visible, so you are quite comfortable, then you start. And the way you make sure that everyone is switching on the videos, then further helps you to evolve from what you were. So it's helping. It's not like we have any constraints or any limitation when we are attending these online classes, because even in offline, the same attention is being paid as you are paying attention to us in the online classes. You are making 100% sure that everyone is attending, everyone is switching on the video, everyone is involved, everyone is answering the question. When for example, if you have like 20 people sitting around in front of you and you don't have the nameplate in front of you, right? Although you remember the names, but at times in your subconscious mind, you may not remember.
Correct.
If you are doing that online classes, you have the names in front of you in the Zoom, and you can actually pinpoint that person and speak.
Correct.
Right. So I don't see any difference in terms of negativeness if we are doing in terms of like things going negative when we are doing the online classes, but it's all in the positive direction. Even when we are attending this class, we are like a little more comfortable. Right, we don't need to worry about like getting dressed, then start driving, and then coming to your place, like which is again like 30 to 40 minutes to and fro.
More. It is more.
And the people like who are far away, it's like 1.5 hours. And in this program,
normally when you are going for offline class, you have to be physically present. And God knows where are you residing. It takes minimum 2 hours in this Bangalore traffic to reach to my place. And by chance, if it is raining, for example, from so many days it has been raining. Now just imagine in this, who would have liked to come to my place? Getting wet, getting drenched, it's not possible. And plus, I am giving the best shot. I'm seeing your body language, I'm seeing each and everything. Yes, Shilpi.
Yes, ma'am. So I agree with Vineet as he was mentioning that I don't see any negative point, and for me it's a big advantage. As I was mentioning from last 2 years, I wanted to join your class due to distance and time management because I have to spend extra 3 hours. So for me it's a big opportunity as you are providing online classes. It's a big time saving. As you were mentioning rain, okay, rain is there, so people will miss the class, but this is the time we can attend the class. Festival was there, So during all the festival, we can attend the class, no
Correct.
issue during that. I had a plan for travel. So I was out of town for 10 days. So it was an opportunity for me. I cannot miss the class. Otherwise, back of the mind, I am missing the content, I am missing the class course. Or if I'm not going, then I will feel, okay, I could not meet my family, I have to drop my
True.
plans. So all this advantage I felt, it's really feasible. Like if I'm not well also, so no travel, so I can just get up and sit for the class, or
Class and attend.
and many people do during traveling, they are attending the class. These are the real advantage. And I
For
don't
example,
feel,
that child was attending from Ajmer market.
yes, ma'am. And I don't feel that there's no there is any difference in content, and the way you are engaging everybody in conversation, and we are now very much connected to each other. And that initially you give us the 10 minutes, so and we can clear our doubt or anything we wanted to ask. So it's
Exactly.
very connected. Initially that constraint was there, okay, that I don't know the people, but now I feel it's a classroom. I know everybody by face, and we can like I can relate very much with everybody. It's my class. And even that you have given the very good platform of Telegram, which is really helpful. And when
Nobody
we go,
gives that.
yes, ma'am.
Nobody gives that. I have made this, and that's also free of cost, only for my students.
True, ma'am. So that is really helpful, and we can talk to many people in that. So all this can happen due to this online classes, and we can connect to many people. And it's a really like for me, it's only advantage. I don't see any disadvantage in online classes.
Okay. Puneet, you want to speak?
Yes, so what I would say, these online classes are far better than the classroom because nowadays the time, how to save time, that is an important thing, right? I'm telling you, 8 years back, I was staying in Kanakpura Road, and I was my traveling time from Kanakpura Road to Indiranagar, it was around 1 hour, right? So I can save 1 hour here with the online class, and here you are making sure everyone is attending. You are making sure, okay, videos are on. So means this is one of the thing where we don't feel, okay, we are not in the classroom. We are still in the online class.
Correct.
And here I can see a lot of people are from Tamil Nadu, some people are from Faridabad. We can join from anywhere. Like me, I'm from the US, right? So initially I was thinking how I will attend the Soba Mem class, and I want to attend it. I sent you email, then I realized, okay, you are starting online class, right? So then I thought, okay, I can join immediate. So this is a time saving. You people can join from anywhere. No need to worry about it. Okay, tomorrow I have to go to my native place. How I will join MEM class? So we can join from anywhere, and this is a good.
And you got the opportunity to join from US.
US, yeah. So that's why I'm saying I can join from here, and we can save our time as well.
Right? Tapan, what do you think? Tapan, I'm not able to hear. You are not audible. Okay, you just rectify that. By the time I'm coming to Mithun.
Yes, ma'am. So Puneet has covered most of the points, but let me tell you my instance. If it was an offline class, probably I would have not joined, because I'm staying in another part of Bangalore, and traveling to your place, it will take 1 hour, and from there I have to go to office. So which was not possible. I was waiting for this opportunity. The moment I got to know you are conducting an online class, I immediately enrolled. And two advantages I can feel. So one is trainer and student interaction. It's very good. You can see our body language, everything. And second thing is time constraint. It would have been very difficult to manage our time if it was an offline class. And one more thing I would like to include, the diversity inclusion. So we can meet the people from different part of a globe. Puneet is from Arizona, and some people are from UK. Everybody can join. So if it was an offline class, everybody had to come to your house. So this is better, I feel.
Okay. Sunil?
I think most of the points everyone has covered, but my point is, let's say I have the class is starting from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, and that is very beneficial since it is offline class. I have meetings consecutively and after 10 o'clock, 10:30 something. If it was a offline class, I had to travel to Indiranagar, and the commute. The main reason, the main advantage is the commuting time has less, is reduced. And also I feel like most of one said, if it was a online offline class, then everyone should be present in Indiranagar in your home. But because of this opportunity, like many people from I am currently in Hyderabad and I am attending the class. If I have to travel again to some other place, I could attend the
True.
class easily.
Huh.
And like Puneet is in US and some other person is from Tamil Nadu and all. Everyone has got the opportunity to learn new things, and most that is the most important thing and effective thing. Like knowledge is shared now everywhere.
True.
That is a great opportunity.
Correct. Tapan, are you audible now?
You can hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. So I completely agree with all the points that these people have said. Just to add, for me, the benefit was mainly the time, because my office almost mostly starts at 9:30 or 10 o'clock, and immediately the classes are over from 9 to 10. I can directly join my office, which would be difficult or different in the case if it were the offline classes. I will have to carve out the time from my office hours and then attend the classes, and which might have delayed
your reaching the office also.
Correct, and which I might not have taken the classes in the first place if that is the case, right? So, but now I am able to do it. So that is the first advantage for me. And then second, I didn't feel like it's almost like 1.5, almost two months. I didn't feel
1.5 month over.
Yeah, I didn't feel that it is actually online class, right? Just now I'm thinking, okay, we are taking online classes, so I didn't feel any difference because videos are always on. You are talking to everyone individually by pointing out their names and going round robin with everyone's name in the speaking as well. So I didn't feel it online at all.
Okay, Karthik.
Ma'am, one more point I want to highlight.
Okay,
here.
Karthik, just a moment. Yes, Puneet.
8 years back when I joined your first class, right? I never reached in class on time.
On time. You were always late.
Every day for 10 minutes, 15 minutes late, and you like initially you asked Puneet why you late, and after some time you were not asking because you said, okay, Puneet, you always late, you don't come on time. But now I can join on time without any
on
delay.
time. True. Sometimes traffic is there.
Traffic, yeah.
Yeah, Karthik.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Almost everybody told what and all the good opinion. The both content and objectives are same as well as in offline class and in online class, and it's more effective compared to offline because we can join from anywhere, anytime. But my one opinion is, ma'am, I think we need to join at least 5 to 10 minutes before, because in offline class we can come and discuss every points with our friends, and we can resolve our previous class problems, as well as future.
Karthik, I'm going to shoot a question at you. At what time do I start the class?
I'm extremely sorry, ma'am.
So your point is nullified now. When do I start the class? You guys tell me.
Definitely. I'll be late for 5 to 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
I always start every batch 10 minutes early. That's my principle.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Why? Because if any questions you have of the previous day, you can interact with me.
Okay.
My objective is that.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. That's fine, ma'am.
Yeah.
Really? Yeah.
Okay. Raja, 'Lakshmi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
I find so many advantages in online classes.
Yes.
First one, time management. The second one, basically I'm an introvert. I'm not interact with other people. I just come and
Yes.
get out and leave the classes very early. But in the class only, I find all the classmates very friendly, because online classes, it need not to be what is say, need not to be hi hello in physically. We just see all are very close to me.
And moreover, lots of group discussion I give.
Yes,
not only on Telegram. Apart from Telegram, I make groups. Have you all found that every week you get minimum, other than apart from class, I give you all interaction.
Yes.
That's one of the biggest advantage.
Could not have been possible in the, that could not have been possible in the physical classes, because in that case it's like only one batch. Now it's not one batch, but like all the batches past and present across.
That is in Telegram group. So
and, one thing Karthik highlighted, we don't discuss internally, but Telegram is a group where we can discuss more, right, about all these points.
Correct. Vishnu Priya.
Good morning, ma'am. It's very benefit to us, because I plan to join before 4 years itself. When I stayed in Coimbatore, my hubby friend told that about your class. He's one of your class student, ma'am. Then I think how I join. I have to go Bangalore. Then I have to stay. I have to take PG. Then I have to attend the class. Then after I shift to Bangalore, because of my office timing, I can't attend your class, offline class. Then I worried about the time management is very difficult to me. How I attend? I thanks to COVID. Because of COVID only you are
many people say this, that thanks to COVID.
Many times I feel that because of COVID only, ma'am just make this decision. Otherwise, he won't do this.
I would not have started, but when I started, I made sure that it should be live classes. That's why the name given itself is live online, no recorded classes.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm not feeling that this is not offline class. This is like a offline class, because you are interacting with everyone. Then more benefit, we are seeing different kind of people from other states. We are getting friends. If we are Bangalore, means Bangalore.
Only Bangaloreans, limited to Bangalore.
Yeah, ma'am. Now we are in UK friend, then Hyderabad, then Tamil Nadu.
US, anywhere. Correct.
Anywhere. So this is very useful.
Beneficial.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, Anand.
Yes, ma'am. What I felt is this is a very big advantages for me actually, for the time management and distance wise. Actually, for me to my place to Indiranagar, it almost take 1.5 hours for traveling. So that is almost I removed.
Where are you staying?
Hosur.
Okay, you have joined from Hosur.
Yeah, actually, I planned 3 years before, when I was staying in Indiranagar. I was staying in Indiranagar only that time. But that time itself, I can't able to join because.
Acha, 1 minute, Anand. Can't enable never comes together. I couldn't join.
Yes, ma'am. I couldn't join that time because time things only, that I couldn't come to class and I couldn't go to office at the same time. That now this is convenient and comfortable for me, that for attending this class. Moreover, I'm getting more information directly from this. If it is in offline class, something that diversion will get divert that sometime. But here that full attention will be.
Full attention, focus is there.
Focus is there. That is most important.
Jyoti, what do you think?
Yes, ma'am. As Vishnu Priya said, first of all, I want time to COVID, because of the COVID situation, you could start the online classes. Okay, that's the way open the opportunity for me. Your classes, your online classes, I am able to join. So first of all, I want to say one benefit. It means you have covered lots of syllabuses. Because you have the personality development classes and also grammar and also the email writing, everything what you covered. Due to these online classes, we are not able to bunk your class because our attendance timing always increased. But offline classes, we maybe missed out some classes because of the time duration, and as everyone said, that the traveling time, everything will impact us. But in this online classes gives more flexible to attend a class in anywhere in our places.
From your places, and above all, I have never compromised with my quality, whether it was offline, and when I converted this into online classes, I made sure that it should be live online, and I never compromised with quality. The day I started, I made sure there should not be any recorded classes. I must be physically present, you all should be physically present. No switching off the videos and then you are attending the class. So
the interaction is equal to offline classes, man.
Exactly. Or rather more than that.
More than
that. So I think you all are happy with it?
There's one point, ma'am.
Absolutely, ma'am.
Even maybe in offline class, you might, if we are not paying attention, you might sometime miss it. But in online class, if we have switched off the camera, we have never missed. Like, okay, Sunil switch on the camera, or Tapan switch on the camera. You will never.
I have never allowed from my side that anybody switches off unless there is a problem.
Yes.
Unless there is some technical glitch. Otherwise, I have never done that. I have asked everybody to be present there. So thank you, children, for sharing your views about live online classes. Because many people have opinion that offline classes are good. But I make sure that this class is also much more beneficial than that offline class. Thank you.